you guy Alberto, you know, he's a piece of shit, you know? I told him to do something, he didn't listen to me, so I had to cancel his fucking contract.
My partners and I are pissed off, Tony.
That's okay, no big deal. There's all Alberto's, you know? We do it next month.
No, Tony, you can't do that. They found what was under the car, Tony. Now our friend has got security up the ass. And the heat is going to come down hard on my partners and me. There's not going to be a next time, you fucking dumb.
Hey, wait. Hey, take it easy when you talk to me, okay?
I told you a long time ago, you fucking little monkey, not to fuck me.
Hey, who the fuck do you think you're talking to, huh?
You want to fuck me?
Who the fuck do you think I am, you fucking dumb boy?
Come on, brother.
Do you want to go to war? Come on. Do you want to go to war? We'll take you to war, okay?
Tony, coño. Cálmate, man.
Alex, you there? Hey.
He's not there.